In these problems, relation between alpha comma beta. First option is alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Second option is beta equal to alpha by 1 plus alpha. Third option is beta equal to 1 plus alpha by alpha. Fourth option is both 1 and 2. And a relation between alpha and beta. For example, generally I discuss what is the relation between alpha and beta. 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. This is the main relation. According to this relation, to determine first alpha. 1 by alpha equal to, here LCM is beta nana, here 1 plus beta. It neatly write as reciprocal, reverse. Alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. First option is right option. Okay? And again, same formula I take nana. Plus 1 other side nana. Plus 1 other side what happens? Minus 1. 1 by alpha minus 1 equal to 1 by beta. Here, what is the alpha? Alpha. Here, 1 minus alpha equal to 1 by beta. Plus 1 other side nana. Reciprocal, right? Reverse. Beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Second option also right. That means both 1 and 2. Fourth option is perfectly right option. Okay. Next nana, I discuss another model nana. 42nd problem nana. Alpha is given 0.9. Find beta nana. Okay. What is the relation between beta and alpha? Here I derived already. What is the formula for beta nana? Beta formula alpha by 1 minus alpha. Alpha value always less than 1. Beta value greater than 1. Okay. Alpha value is 0.9 by 1 minus 0.9. Here 0.9 by 0.1. It neatly write as 9. Beta value here 9. Okay, greater than 9. Here next nana, I explain another model nana. Here third problem nana. Current gain in the common base configuration is 0.8. Generally 0.8 means less than 1. That is called alpha. Common base configuration. Find current amplification factor. Current amplification factor means current gain. Current amplification factor, amplified means gain. Okay. In common emitter configuration can be calculated. Simply called as beta can be determined. Common emitter, this is what common base. Okay. Here nana, beta formula, we know that alpha by, tell me, 1 minus alpha. Alpha value is 0.8 by 1 minus 0.8. 0.8 by 0.2 neatly write as 4:1. 4. Answer is 4 now. I explain another 3 problems today. Look here, next fourth problem. I discuss next fourth problem in the material. Here, current gain in the common base configuration. Common base configuration means alpha. Current gain is 0.8. The transistor is in the common emitter configuration mode. Base current changes by 5 milliampere. Simply called as IB equal to 5 milliamperes. Okay. Find change in collector current. This is the answer. IC can be calculated. Okay. We know the basic relation for beta. Common emitter configuration is keyword. Common emitter means beta. Beta formula is IC by IB. Okay. Here IC can be calculated. IB is given. IB is given. Some textbooks write as delta IC by delta IB. But beta relation is, beta is, we know that the formula alpha by 1 minus alpha. Beta is 0.8 by 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, simply called as 4. Here write as 4. Find delta IC, change in collector current by change in base current is 5. 4 into 5, how much nana? 20. That is the option. Next nana, I discuss. Next nana, fifth problem. Change in collector current given by 1 milliampere nana, milliampere. Change in base current is given by 20 microamperes. Here nana, milli means 10 power minus 3 amperes. Micro means 10 power minus 6 ampere. Micro. Okay. Find current amplification factor. ఏమి ఇవ్వకపోతే that is common emitter configuration. It is denoted by beta. Beta general formula IC by IB. Some textbooks write as change in output by change in input. This is the formula. What is the beta equal to? Delta IC value is given 10 power minus 3. Delta IB is given 20 into 10 power minus 6. Here minus 6 above plus 6. 6 minus 3, 3 by 20. 0, 0 cancel. 100 by 2, 50. Okay. Next problem is here nana, sixth one. Here the change of 200 MeV millivolt nana, voltage is given nana, 200 milli means 10 power minus 3 volts is given. Change in base current also given nana, current also given nana, 100 micro 10 power minus 6 ampere. Here millivolts is given. Here micro amperes is given. Okay. This is voltage is given, current is given. Resistance can be calculated. We know the Ohm's law. V equal to IR. R equal to V by I. V value 200 into 10 power minus 3 by I value 100 into 10 power minus 6. 100 how many times? 2 times. That means R equal to 2 into 10 power 3. That means 2000 ohms. Okay. Next now. Okay.